the girl I come for now? Hello? Yes, Tasha. Hey, Tasha. Yeah, me have a good day. Anything for you, baby. Alright. You know the boy with him, Nick? Yes, I'm gonna go with Nick. And I want you to be, yeah, anytime John call, make sure you tell him, say, me there. Yeah? Alright. Alright. Thanks, girl. Johnny, me soon come here.
Alright, no problem.
Hello?
Well, go on, baby.
My ears say she a go away.
Yeah.
Alright, may I come over?
Tell me something. I want to your man.
Boy, you know him there, but him come like him now. We him there a job bungy.
Alright.
Your room look nice, see? No man, Sashana fix up the bed nice.
Babe, I've been waiting for you to come from a long time ago. Glad to she gone.
Yeah. So Johnny, you know how long she gonna stay?
No, you know, I don't know.
I hope she stay the one night. Come and get started.
Yeah, come and do it before she come. Alright.
Alright, come.
I'm about to dive in.
Woo!
Wait, Johnny, I'm so tired. I'm tired. Me out. Johnny, you're tired me out. Carly, you sure know how to do your thing, man. Yeah, you're better than Sashana. You better.
Hey, Johnny, it sound like Sashana come. Come here, Lulu.
Go on that bed. Hide on that bed. Hide.
Alright. Oh, I want to hear some.
Babe, why you come back so quick?
Who there? Tashna?
Nobody not there.
What do you mean? Lift up the bed. Don't tell no lie, I smell her.
You smell Tashi. Tashi not there.
What am I say?
She not there, babe. She not there.
Move the tongue away.
Babe, so you push myself.
Now babes me! Tashna, I'ma smell that perfume. I'm sorry. Let go my head. I'm sorry. Sorry.